Welcome to Ullas Tech Solution. Today we will learn how to insert and link Excel file into Word. So let's go started. First open up MS Word. Then click on Insert menu on the top. Then click Object option. Now you can get many options here. Scroll down to see Microsoft Excel. Simply click on that. If it's not work, then choose any of them from here. And now what can we do that? Click on OK button and you can see a spreadsheet document inserted. Now we can type any data here. Besides, you can resize the spreadsheet. Then click on outside. Now you can save it. Now I am gonna show you how can we link MS Excel file into MS Word. Again go to the Insert menu, then click on Object option. After that click on the Create from File option. Now click on the Browse option. Then choose your spreadsheet file which you can link into MS Word. Then simply double click on this file. Now press OK button. After that you can see the MS Excel file link into this MS Word. Hope so after watching this tutorial you can able to insert and link MS Excel file into MS Word. Finally, if it works on your computer, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching my tutorial.